Aku bingung sama orang-orang. Kenapa banyak yang gak bisa nyanyi? Padahal menyanyi itu mudah kan? Coba dengarkan saya. Never mind, no pain. Someone like you. I was nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. I beg, I remember you say. Mudah kah? Ayo, bingung sama orang-orang.